Today's video is on the top 3 best blood glucose monitors. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Prodigy Glucose Monitor Kit. The Prodigy Autocode blood glucose monitoring system is a handy device for anyone needing to keep track of their blood sugar levels. One of its standout features is that it speaks in 4 languages: English, Spanish, French, and Arabic. This makes it accessible to a wide range of users. Plus, it has a standard USB port, so you can easily download your test results to your computer. This system is approved for alternate site testing, which means you don't always have to prick your finger. You can also use it on your forearm, upper arm, thigh, calf, or palm. It can store up to 450 test results, complete with the date and time, which is handy for keeping track of your readings over time. Best of all, there's no coding required, so it's simple to use right out of the box. What's included in the package? You get 100 test strips along with a free meter system. The test strips feature high accuracy and auto-calibration circuitry inside each one, so you can trust your readings. The meter turns on automatically when you insert a test strip, and you have the option to get verbal prompts that guide you through the testing process. The capillary action of the test strips automatically draws in the blood sample, and you'll hear and see your results in just 7 seconds. The Prodigy Autocode also features US-based customer support and a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. The kit includes everything you need to get started: the Prodigy Autocode meter, 2 vials of Prodigy, no coding blood glucose test strips, 50 count each, a Prodigy adjustable depth lancing device, 10 Prodigy twist top lancets, 2 AAA batteries, a carrying case, an owner's manual, a quick reference guide, a warranty card, and a logbook. Lastly, Prodigy test strips are known for being the most affordable on the market. They're compatible with the Prodigy Autocode, Prodigy Pocket, and Prodigy voice meters. It's worth noting that the FDA requires blood glucose test strips to be 95% accurate, and Prodigy test strips meet this standard. Number 2, best overall, True Metrix Meter Starter Kit. Are you looking for an easy and reliable way to monitor your blood sugar levels at home? Look no further. The True Metrix Self-Monitoring Blood Glucose Starter Kit has everything you need to keep your health in check. This comprehensive kit includes 100 True Metrix test strips, 130 grams, True Plus single-use sterile lancets, a True Plus lancing device, a True Plus logbook, a Metrix control solution, level 1, and a handy meter carrying case. One of the best features of this kit is that it requires no coding, making it super user-friendly. You get your results in as fast as 4 seconds, using just a tiny 0.5 microliter blood sample. Plus, you can test on alternate sites like your forearm or palm, making it more convenient and less painful. The meter can store up to 500 results, complete with time and date stamps. It offers 7, 14, and 30-day averaging to help you track your glucose levels over time. To make sure you never miss a test, it has 4 reminder alarms. Other nifty features include audible fill detection to ensure accurate testing and control solution detection to verify the meter's performance. You can even download your results to a computer or smartphone, making it easier to track and share your data. Just remember, for the most accurate results, use only True Metrix test strips with the True Metrix, True Metrix Air, and True Metrix Go self-monitoring blood glucose meters. With the True Metrix Starter Kit, managing your blood sugar has never been so simple and effective. Number 1, our pick: Care Touch Diabetes Blood Sugar Kit. Imagine getting your blood sugar results in just 5 seconds with a tiny drop of blood and no complicated setup. Sounds great, right? That's exactly what the Care Touch Blood Sugar Test Kit offers. This kit makes managing diabetes simpler and more convenient than ever. With the Care Touch Kit, you only need a 0.5 microliter blood sample to get accurate results in a flash. There's no need to worry about programming. Our blood glucose monitors automatically recognize batch codes on the Care Touch test strips. Plus, disposing of used strips is hygienic and easy thanks to the single touch strip ejection feature. Keeping track of your blood sugar levels has never been easier. The glucose monitor can save up to 300 readings and provides a 14-day average of your results. This makes it simple for you and your healthcare provider to monitor your glucose levels over time. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Care Touch Diabetic Testing Kit is designed for portability and ease. The included carrying case keeps everything organized so you can check your blood sugar anywhere. The lancing device has 10 depth settings, and the lancets are designed to make testing as painless as possible. This comprehensive set comes with everything you need: one Care Touch blood sugar meter, 100 blood glucose test strips, a lancing device, 100 lancets, a 3-volt lithium battery, and a carrying case for all your supplies. Remember, we've done the hard work sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.